chocolate vermicelli pasta soup or chocolate coconut milk vermicelli pasta soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most different of the pasta recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the vermicelli recipes and one of the most different of the dessert soup recipes. Today we are going to make chocolate coconut milk vermicelli pasta soup or sweet chocolate coconut milk vermicelli pasta soup. The ingredients are around half a cup of brown sugar, 100 grams of vermicelli pasta, 15 grams of raisins, 2 cardamom pods, and 400 ml of coconut milk. Heat the pan and put in 15 to 20 grams of clarified butter. Put in the cardamom pod, salt, take off the pan. Now put in the raisins, saute thoroughly, and the raisins pop up. Now take off the pan. Once the raisins have puffed up, take off the pan. Now put in the vermicelli pasta. Salt for So the cardamom pods and the vermicelli pasta together. Crush the pods. Now put in the coconut milk. Mix the vermicelli pasta and the coconut milk. Thoroughly mix. Keep on mixing. Now put in a spoon of chocolate powder or cocoa. Mix. You can put in 2 spoons. Mix thoroughly. Put in the brown sugar or jaggery or gur. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Break any large granules. Now keep on stirring and let the mixture boil. And let the vermicelli cook for around 8 to 10 minutes while stirring. If you want it to be more sweet, you can add more brown sugar. So let it boil. put in the raisins and take off the pan and flame and serve. This is the final chocolate coconut milk vermicelli pasta soup, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the desert soup recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the desert recipes and one of the most different of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most nutritious of the pasta recipes and one of the most unique of the sweet recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the vermicelli recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.